Upgrade your existing ram mount to quad lock with the quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount. No tools required, the quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount is all you need to upgrade your existing ram mount to quad lock. The quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount is compatible with 1-inch socket arms. To integrate with your 1-inch socket arm, loosen the socket's grip, place the quad lock 1-inch ball adapter mount in the socket and tighten.
The final check is to test fit the case and make sure that nothing impacts any part of the scooter or motorcycle when turning the handlebars from lock to lock. If any part of the case or mount impacts your bike, you'll need to reposition the mount before use. To attach, simply hold your quad lock compatible smartphone at a 45-degree angle, push onto the quad lock and twist. Your smartphone is now securely attached and can only be removed by pushing down the blue lever and twisting your smartphone. Once installed, you can now twist, lock and ride.